You've been doing YouTube backwards, and honestly, most creators never figure this out. There are 3 mistakes that are killing your growth right now, and the crazy part, your content might actually be pretty good. But these 3 things are keeping you stuck under 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to break down exactly what these mistakes are and how to fix them. And pay attention to mistake number 3. It's the one that most successful YouTubers use but never talk about. Let's jump in. Mistake number 1 is you make your videos first, then try to get clicks. This is completely backwards, and it's why your videos aren't getting views. Here's what most YouTubers do. They spend hours making an amazing video. Great script, perfect editing, then right before they upload, they quickly throw together a title and thumbnail. Huge mistake. Your thumbnail and title are way more important than your actual video. I know it sounds weird, but here's why it's true. The best video on YouTube gets 0 views if nobody clicks on it. But an average video with a killer thumbnail and title, well, that can blow up and get millions of views.
If they don't click, they don't watch. And it's something that Jimmy said to us on our show that ever since he said that, I'm like, that is such an obvious statement, but it is the first rule of YouTube. Plain and simple.
So what exactly do smart YouTubers do? They flip the entire process. They start with the thumbnail and title, then they make the video around that. If they can't think of a thumbnail and title that makes people curious, they just don't make the video at all.
I don't think I actually got it until recently. And I know that sounds crazy.
But the problem is you never actually get it because it's always more important than you realize.
It's more important than you realize.
Even me, I'm constantly every other month going, dang, I forgot like just how important the title and thumbnail is. And I like, you almost have to like every day, like sit in a corner and go, the title and thumbnail matters more than you think, and tell yourself that 10 times.
But here's what most people don't know. Your work isn't done when you hit upload. You need to watch what's called your click-through rate like a hawk. This number tells you how many people actually click when they see your video. If you can hit 10% or higher, that's when the YouTube algorithm kicks in and starts pushing your video everywhere.
Mr. Beast showed me this graph showing that as you approach, 10%, 20%, 30% click-through rate, then the number of views and the number of impressions that video will get just skyrockets. It jumps dramatically.
Here's what you actually do. So step 1, after you publish a video, check your click-through rate. After a couple hours, you get these analytics right inside YouTube Studio under Analytics. Step 2, if it's under 5%, start changing things right away. Test different thumbnails, test different titles. Step 3, you can use tubebuddy.com/thumbnail-preview to see how your thumbnail looks next to others on YouTube. If yours doesn't stand out immediately, well, you need to fix that problem. For thumbnails, I suggest you just keep it simple. Maximum 3 elements, avoid the bottom right corner because that's where the timestamp goes, and just use colors that pop. Most importantly, make people so curious that they have to click. And step 4, don't sleep on your title. A good title can get you just as many clicks as a good thumbnail. With thumbnails, you have to spend a lot of time designing or paying somebody to design for you. But with titles, I mean, you can just come up with as many as you want, or just use some AI tools to help you. I mean, we even have a feature inside YouTube Studio with our browser extension that generates titles based on the context of your video. Mistake number 2, your channel is all over the place. Your content is confusing people, and confused people don't subscribe. I see this constantly. Somebody posts a gaming video, then a cooking video, then a fitness video, then tech reviews, all on one same channel. You need an audience that loves gaming and cooking and fitness and tech, and these people basically don't exist. Because here's what happens. Someone subscribes because they liked your gaming video. Then suddenly you post cooking, they skip it. Then you post about workouts, they skip that one too. YouTube notices and thinks, well, this person doesn't care about this channel. So YouTube stops showing them all of your videos, even your gaming ones. This is why big channels work like TV show networks. ESPN only does sports. Food Network only does food. They don't randomly switch topics and confuse their audience. Your YouTube channel needs to have that same focus. When people see your name pop up, they should immediately know what type of video they're about to watch. But here's the thing, staying in your niche should not limit you. Look at MKBHD. His whole channel is tech, but within tech, he can do anything. Phone reviews, car tech, interviews with CEO. He even talks about playing Ultimate Frisbee, but he connects it back to tech gear. Because he stays in his lane, YouTube knows exactly who to recommend his videos to, tech lovers. And within that space, he has endless video ideas. If he was a creator interested in gaming and cooking and fitness and tech reviews, he could make it all work on one channel by having a consistent through line. This means that he makes a gaming video but ties it back to tech, or a cooking video but ties it back to tech. And the mistake that many creators make is having wildly different topics on their channel without a common through line. So instead of thinking about finding your niche, find what your through line will be. Mistake number 3, you try to come up with brand new ideas every week. This is why most YouTubers burn out and quit. Most creators sit down every week thinking, what is a completely original idea I have never done before? This is exhausting and totally unnecessary. Successful YouTubers don't reinvent the wheel, they create systems. They build what are called formats. Think of them like TV series. Once you have a format that works, you're not creating something brand new every week. You're just making the next episode of something viewers already love. Like if we go back to Marquez, he has specific video types he repeats because they work. First impression videos for brand new products, explained videos breaking down tech, car reviews focused on the tech features. Each format is like a proven recipe. He knows exactly how to structure a first impressions video, what to include, how long to make it, what his audience expects. He's not starting from scratch every week. Matter of fact, he has a ton of data based on how his audience reacted before, through the analytics, through the comments, to really get an understanding on how to make it even better. When you have formats, everything gets easier. Your viewers know what to expect and get excited for it. You can improve each format over time, and you never sit there staring at a blank screen wondering what to make next. Other great examples are Ryan Trahan's Penny series. He came up with one great format, and he's been able to do that year after year after year. And every time he does it, the viewers go crazy. And then there's Hang Time's Mixing Everything series. Just a simple format where he takes one type of thing and makes a huge mix of all the products in that space. But as you can see here, it has generated his channel millions and millions and millions of views. And instead of him having to sit there and think about like, what is a crazy new video idea that I can do this week, he simply just leans on a format he knows is successful. So here's your action plan. Step 1, find 3 channels similar to yours that are doing really well. I mean, probably over 100,000 subscribers or getting, maybe 20,000 views consistently, and write down their most popular video formats. Step 2, create your own version of one of the formats that fits your style and niche, or through line. Step 3, make 5 videos using that exact same format. And then once you get 5 videos out, maybe start introducing another format. And then over time, as you have multiple formats on your channel, start to track which of the formats gets the best views and engagements, and then double down on those. And the ones that don't do so well, cancel them, just like they're a TV show. Do not renew them for another season. If this idea is not making sense to you, just leave me a comment and I will go through them and help you really understand this concept, because understanding how to build a great format for your channel is seriously the difference of you struggling every single week and you turning YouTube into a system that isn't that stressful. I think it's really helpful to think about your favorite YouTuber. You probably watch them because you know what type of content they make. You might discover new things within their videos, but you know the general vibe you're getting. Your audience wants the same thing. They subscribe for specific formats they enjoy. You can experiment within those formats, but don't completely switch up your content style. Master your formats first. Your subscribers will love the consistency, and YouTube's algorithm will reward you for it. Okay, I can say that. So remember all of this. First, fix your thumbnails and titles. This is your biggest opportunity right now, because anything else you do to the content really doesn't matter if you can't even get somebody to click on the video. Second, pick your niche and commit to it. Actually, no, let's just call it through line and commit to it. Stop posting random content that confuses people. Post content that's well connected to everything that you publish on your channel. Third, develop formats you can repeat so you don't have to keep reinventing the wheel every week. I promise you, this will save you a ton of stress and it will grow your audience extremely fast, because the viewers will keep coming back for more and more. These are the things that you can do that will help you finally break through that 1,000 subscriber barrier. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep creating.